Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send DocuSign in template. Alright, so to send your DocuSign in template, the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Chrome and then sign up on DocuSign if you do not already have an account. And if you do, simply log in. But if you do not, click on this first link over here and it will take you to the next page where you can properly sign up on DocuSign. Do well to prepare all your necessary information, including your Gmail and your phone numbers to sign up on DocuSign. It's a simple and straightforward process. After doing that, you simply log into your account and to take you to the DocuSign dashboard, which is this. In this video, we are learning how to send our DocuSign template. So what you want to do is head over to your template menu over here at the top, as you can see on my dashboard. I'll click on that and then this will open me up to this page. As you can see, I have a list of options to work with. Either I want to create a template, work with the template I already have, and edit the template I already have to send my DocuSign template. So for the purpose of this video, I would simply use a particular template I already have in existence. So what I'll do is head over to this particular template, the first one here, and then click on the three dotted lines by the side. All right, and then click on edit. After doing that, it will open me up to this particular page, and all I have to do is edit and fill up the necessary fields that I want to fill up before sending out this template. So I'll just have to ensure that the role is clear. Is this person a seller? Is this person a witness or a buyer? I'll input their names, their email address, customize this field, customize this field as well. And then if I need to add much more recipients, I'll just click on add recipients and ensure that I have as many recipients as possible. So I can add my recipients here or add them via my contact. When I'm done with this field, head over to the next one, ensure that all of these fields are filled up, put in the personalized message I want to send, and then after I am done with that, I'll just click on save and close or click on next and then send my template. So this is a simple and straightforward way that you can send your DocuSign in templates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was short and insightful for you. Until the next one, bye for now.